Setting up for a portable large system is just as easy by simply adding our universal port enclosure.
We are going to show you how to set up a Bass50 system for around 200 people. By adding a second top speaker and a second Bass50, you can extend your high and low end coverage while maintaining full range sound in larger rooms or setups. For this setup, we will be using one Bass50, one enclosure port, a single dolly, a Trulli long speaker pole, a top speaker, and an XLR to 1/8 inch cable. The first step will be prepping the up-firing Bass50 unit. Remove all 4 feet from the grill side of the Bass50, replacing all hex hardware in its current position, leaving the side hardware protruding for the port latch. Next, we will take the port latch and slide the keyhole opening over the hex bolt on the side of the unit, securing it to the side of the Bass50 using included tool or the 9/16 socket. We will do this on all 4 sides. After securing all 4 latches to the Bass50, tighten the top 4 hex bolts to allow the port to align to the Bass50. Next step is installing the Bass50 on the dolly. First, make sure your wheels are locked on all 4 corners, and then take your up-firing Bass50 that you already prepped and set it on top of the dolly. Make sure the feet lock into the front cleats on the dolly, then simply set the back side of the Bass50 down onto the rear of the dolly until it locks into place. Next, put the universal port on top of the Bass50, ensuring all 4 hex bolts align with the spacers on all 4 corners. Flip up your latches and make sure all latches are tightened on all 4 corners. Tighten the Trulli long speaker pole, loosen the speaker pole lock, and then pull the height selection knob and lift to select your height. Once your height is set, tighten the lock. Place your top speaker on and lock the speaker with the locking ring. This application calls for 1 wire, going from the Bass50's aux output to the XLR input on the top speaker. Secure your cabling. You just prepped and assembled an up-firing Bass50 with port enclosure. Now, let's get connected using Bluetooth. Download and open the Trulli app. This will ensure a proper connection and give you even more control of your Bass50. When prompted, power on your Bass50 by holding the Trulli button for 1 second. The app will then search for your Bass50. If this is your first time powering on the Bass50, it will automatically be in pairing mode. Tap on the Bass50 once it appears on the Select a Device list. The app can only connect to one Bass50 at a time. You will receive a Bluetooth pairing request. Once pairing is complete, your Bass50 will show a successful connection. If this is your first time connecting to the app will walk you through creating a sound profile, but we'll cover that in a different video. Next, we will set up the same portable large system with a wireless connection using a SKAA transmitter. I will be using a DJ controller, 1 SKAA transmitter, 2 XLR female to 1/4 inch male cables from the master output of the mixer to the SKAA transmitter's input. To start, power on the transmitter by holding the power button for 1 second. The power button will illuminate green, indicating regular mode at 36 milliseconds of delay. We will switch to Pro mode by tapping the power button 3 times. Now we are at 19 milliseconds of delay. The power button will illuminate red, indicating Pro mode. Now we will power up the Bass50 by pressing and holding the Trulli logo. Open the control panel window, press the cog button and cycle to receive mode. The light amber light indicates searching for signal. The amber LED light will turn dark and flash, indicating a successful signal has been connected. Press and hold the receive button to add a transmitter to the favorites or green list. This ensures the Bass50 will automatically pair on the next power cycle. A green signal light will appear on the transmitter, indicating a good signal level. Flashing red will indicate clipping. Use the pad level dip switches on each input to level the signal to a green flashing light, indicating the proper signal level.
Thanks for watching the Trulli Academy. Stay tuned for more videos.